Hello, we are Group 3 and our members are as follows. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use articles and phrases and expressions. Just notice that the examples given here are for genre categories. For example, the river Thames means that we use the before all rivers. Here are some areas that we will mention in this video. When it comes to time expressions, we use definite articles in case the 1990s, in the summer, or just simply in summer, in the morning. Whereas we use zero article when we say in 2008, in June, at night. In the area of people and work, we simply say she works as a doctor, but the definite article must be used with a unique person like the Queen, the President, and zero article with activities like go to work. More examples. I work as a nurse. The Queen is beautiful. We don't say, I am at the work, but I am at work. How about travel? We say on the bus, but take a taxi. In entertainment and sport area, we mention the media, whereas most of the organizations are preceded by a definite article, like the army. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.